Good morning students. Today we are going to see female reproductive system of cockroach. Female reproductive system has following parts: ovaries. Ovaries, there are a pair of large structure present. This ovary, two a pair of large structure present laterally in the segment 2 to 6 of abdomen. Each ovary is a cluster of 8 ovaries. Each ovule has a tapering anterior filamentous germanium and posterior wider vitrillium. This structure ovariole. Germanium contains eggs in various stages of development. Vitrillium contains mature eggs with yolk. The tapering ends of ovariole are attached to dorsal body wall as a single thread. Oviduct. This structure oviduct, and oviduct arises from the posterior end of each ovary to oviducts join to form the short median duct. This is called vagina. Female genital 4. Vagina opens into a large genital pouch on the 8th sternum but by a vertical opening called the female gonophore. Spermatheca. The theca means the covering, the sperm. The sperm covering or reticule seminus. The structure present in 6th segment is useful to store the spermatophores. It opened by the median aperture and a small spermatical papillae on the 9th sternum in the dorsal wall of brood pouch. It consists of lead sac like and the right filamentous cecum. Collateral glands present in female. These are a pair of branched structure. Behind the ovaries, they open into genital pouch separately just above the spermatical aperture. Secretions of these glands are useful to from the hard egg gas or ootheca around the eggs. Genital pouch. Genital or brood pouch. The large boat-shaped 7th sternum forms the floor 8th sternum, the anterior wall and the 9th sternum roof of brood pouch. Its anterior part is genital chamber. Its posterior part is ootheca chamber or vestibulum. External genitalia. Female cockroach has 3 pairs of chitinous structure called gonophyses. They are present around the genital 4. They guide the ova into ootheca as ovipositors. After fertilized are encased in capsules called ootheca, which is dark reddish blackish brown capsule, and it is about 3 by 8 inches 8 mm long. They are dropped or glued to a suitable surface, usually in crack and cervix. Optimized on the foot they will. The cervix of high relative humidity near a food source. Humidity means Because the developing case of cockroach is pair metabolism, 13th molting fully development. Food stores is very essential for the eggs developed because they need nutrition. On average, females produced 9 to 10 ootyke, each containing 14 to 16 eggs. Single ootyka, totally 126 or 160 eggs will be there. The development of Periphlanta americana is hormone metabolism through the nymphal stage. The nymphal look very much like adult. They will look like adult. The nymphs grow by molting about 13 times to reach the adult form. The next to last nymphal stage has wing pads. The last nymphal present, but only adult cockroach have wings. Present in wings, adult cockroach. Fertilization. Picture of the life cycle of cockroach. First one, ootyka containing eggs. This is ootyka. And favorable conditions it catches out, it become nymph. The nymph undergo several times of molting and become in adult. The nymph are very much similar to the adult one, but size will be smaller than of the adult one. So only difference between the nymph adult, about 13 times it molt stage become adult. Economical important. Many species of cockroach are wild and are of no economical importance. A few species thrive in the around human habit. They are pests because they destroyed food, contaminated it with their smelly excreta. They can transmit a variety of bacterial diseases by contaminating food materials. They spread disease like cholera, diarrhea, etc. Thank you, students.